Alright, quick question. If you ask your friend what time's the movie, they'll tell you 6:30 p.m. That's helpful, right? But what if another friend of yours says 6:30 p.m. and books the tickets, sends you a reminder, orders your popcorn, and makes sure you got the best seats? Which friend would you rather have? Exactly, the second one. And my friends, that is the difference between ChatGPT and an AI agent. Let's start with ChatGPT. Think of ChatGPT like the smartest librarian in the world. You ask for a question, it gives you the answer. You ask for help with homework, it explains things. You ask for it to write a poem about cats in space, it does that too. It's amazing at talking, explaining, and giving information. But here's the thing, once it gives the answer, its job is done. It won't automatically go and do extra tasks until you ask it. And even then, it's just limited to chatting with you. Now, let's talk about AI agents. Imagine that same librarian, but now they send you a text when a new book you like arrives. They automatically renew your library card before it expires. They even recommend study groups and sign you up. This is what an AI agent does. It doesn't just talk to you, it acts for you. Here's a simple way to remember it. ChatGPT equals brain, thinks and talks. AI agent equals brain plus hands plus tools. Thinks, talks, and actually does things in the real or digital world. Let's see the difference with a fun example. You ask, can you give me some party themes? ChatGPT gives you 10 great ideas. And then you go and book the venue, send invites, order cake, etc. yourself. With an AI agent, you say, plan my birthday, the best theme based on your likes, book the venue, order the cake from your favorite place to your friends, and even send you a reminder 2 days before. See the difference? ChatGPT helps you think. AI agents help you get things done. Here's another one you can relate to. School projects. ChatGPT. You ask for info on the solar system. It gives you facts, definition, and summaries. You still have to put this in a document, make slides, and email your teacher. But AI agent, you tell it, make a presentation on the solar system for my science class. It researches, writes, creates the slides, designs them, and emails them to your teacher, all automatically. It's like the difference between a smart friend who gives you advice and a smart friend who does the entire project setup for you. Features ChatGPT AI agents, talks to you, yes, gives answers, yes, takes action, no, remembers context limited in one chat, no, rare, yes. Now you might be thinking, cool, but why should I care? Here's why. AI agents can save you hours every week. They can help you do things you thought you were too hard or too time consuming. They give you superpower most others don't even have. Automation. By the end of this course, you won't just know how to chat with AI. You will know how to build your own a digital email that works for you. So next time You hear someone smile and say, "That's nice," but my AI actually works for me while I sleep. Get ready because in the next module, we're gonna open up the toolbox and see what's inside an AI agent, its brain, memory, tools, and how they all work together. Let's turn you from an AI user into an AI creator.